We'll guide you through how to identify ChatGPT dangers effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open up your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account. Understanding the potential risks of using ChatGPT is crucial. One major concern is the possibility of misinformation. When using ChatGPT, always double-check the information it provides with reliable sources. This will help you avoid spreading any incorrect information. Another risk is data privacy. You should be cautious about sharing sensitive data with ChatGPT. Make sure you understand the privacy policy and know what data might be stored or used. Additionally, be aware of the model's limitations. ChatGPT may not understand context as well as humans, and can sometimes provide unexpected or inappropriate responses. If you encounter any strange or harmful output, report it using the feedback options provided on the platform. This helps the developers improve the system. You should also be cautious of phishing attempts. If you receive messages claiming to be from ChatGPT or related services asking for personal information, verify their authenticity before responding. Finally, remember that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for information and entertainment, it shouldn't replace expert advice, particularly in fields like medical or legal matters. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.